Hi so fam, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Delicious Favour. Dirty December is around the corner and it is time to stand out in trendy outfits. Today, I will show you how I achieved this trendy dangling flower piece that you can use to make your outfit stand out. Stay with me and let's get started. For this tutorial, I'll be using this flower piece, bias and the two net, okay? So when making yours, you need a pack of bias, a pack of flower and two net, okay? Ensure you get enough items that will be enough for this project. So create your circle. You just need a brown paper or a white paper, any paper you have. What you do is fold your pattern paper into two, then you fold it into another two, like so. So I'll measure 2 inches for our circle shape. So I'll measure 2 inches on the pattern paper, then I will mark it. So I'll mark the 2 inches like so. So you follow this video closely. So then I'll use my French curve to connect the circle, the curve, okay? So after connecting, I will cut out my circle pattern. So I've cut that out. So I'll open it up so you can see the circle. Okay, this is what you need. All right. So then I'll bring my two nets. I'll fold my two net into two, like so. Then I'll fold it into another two pieces, and I also fold it again because I want to cut as many circles. Okay, so I'll fold it like so. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, okay? Please, and also share this so that others can see and learn. So I will place the circular pattern on the folded tool, then I'll pin the circular pattern to my tool. Then I'll cut it out like so, okay? So let me know where you are watching this tutorial from, and let me know if you will try out this tutorial. So if you try this tutorial out, you can please send me the pictures, okay? So I'll cut another circle pattern, okay? Send me your comment and where you are watching from so I can send you a shout out in our next video. So I'll remove the pattern paper like so. Then I will take out like 2 nets. I'll fold it into half, then I'll fold it again. Okay, then I'll use my pin to hold it down. I repeat the same process to all the tulle. So just take 2 pieces of tulle, you fold it into half and fold it again, then pin it down. So I am done pinning the 2 nets, so I'll keep it aside for now. So I'll measure my desired bias length, okay? I don't want it long, but this is for tutorial. So if you are making yours, okay, make sure you measure your bias and know where you want it to stop, then you cut it. So I've already cut it out. So I will place the tool and pin it, and I will place the flower applique next, okay? So you can space the 2 net and the flower applique however you want, okay? So just be creative with your own design, okay? So after tacking it, so I will begin to unsew it, okay? I'll be unsewing from the back, okay? So you unsew it so it will be firm and it will not remove, okay? If you want to sew the trendy bustier that this dangling flower design was attached to, the link is on top, okay? So tap to watch the full tutorial. So after I'm done tacking the flower to the bias, I will do the same. I'll also tack the 2 nets to the bias. So please make sure you use matching threads to tack this tulle or flower to your bias. Okay, make sure the thread match. So let me know if you will try out this design, and if you try this out, you can also send me pictures, okay, so I can see your work. All right, so here is our dangling flower and tulle design. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Do check out our next tutorial.